Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, most of today's news. Alright, so our monetary spirits, whether they call sports Kada, don't come outside and let us know, say Al Ali, he gets. Say then they plot a move to sign Thomas Partey. Now, Al Ali, they also plot another move to sign Marco Silva, who is the coach of Fulham, and they also need Mitrovic. So then they come. I remember Saturn and talk say as of like 2 or 3 days ago, so Thomas Partey did with Arsenal. Say because all the Saudi Arabian clubs like maybe not to put body there, but Al Ali don't come again and to try to like change in mind. Make him go join them. So everything that Partey hand in there. Do you want to still remain in Europe, play for Arsenal, who are progressing, who have a very, very bright future and tantalizing projects? Or you want to just take money and go and retire? Like me, I see those really go all those Saudi Arabia as players that want to go and retire. They want to go and make so much money and secure their future well. That's what me I see him. And if Partey decides to actually do that, make una no vex, get so, because he actually needs to put his own needs above our need. You get so now so me I dey see am, so make una no vex, or make una no dey surprised. Okay, Thomas Partey wants to abandon us. Look at it from the point of view that in the next maybe 4-5 years, Partey if you know they play football again for England, if you know get that strength, if you know get that energy. On the next 6 years, you know anything can happen. You can never tell. You get how much Arsenal they pay him. Even if they go outside the Arabia and they pay double or triple money. You get so when I put all these things into consideration before you give your own argument. Say no, you should not go there. No, just put all these things on the table. So me, I just make I let you know. So more just watch. Now you get the final say. Alright, so away from that, so I want this special opportunity to thank everybody that sends me prayers, well wishes. Good people send me messages, a lot of people called me, both those who says I should send you Azza, may God bless all of you. Like I know few mention names, but I know tomorrow, by the grace of God, all those people say send me your Azza, I will give you a special accolades. Yes, I'll just go check because I'll just go check, shall make I get to their names and write. And another thing is say those who message me about their birthday, I beg, send me hi again, because all the messages I received yesterday, don't send a message go down. Just send me hi so that it will pop up, come back for the first. I beg. So thank you everybody once again for your prayers and everything. So let's proceed. Alright, so Odegaard will be Arsenal captain. Call the talk say angry Arsenal will repeat history next season. Although based on what is up last season, we do that our title challenge, we challenge Man City. Where people don't really expect us to do that, you get. But this time around, we let them know say we want to repeat that one, you get. Remember what Ramsey talk? Ramsey talk say we want to qualify for Champions League again and again. Like Champions League qualification during when that time, it was like a norm, you get. Even though we know play well, no play well, at the end of the day, top 4 sure like, you get. But now, you know, be like that, everybody done the strengthen, jungle don't mature, you get. Lion the wear shoe now, you get. Goats they chop meat, so everything done different now. So this time around, me, like what I always say, more they look all this top 4 as a norm. Don't celebrate it like something worth celebrating. Just see and say na normal level. Based on where we do as a big team, whether we play well or not play well, we're supposed to do that. Look at the way they classify Man City. They talk about top 4. They will say Man City and the rest. Nobody they ask whether Man City will finish top 4 every season. Again. Now the rest that they talk about, say where we they finish. Get now that kind of level we need to do. So if we did that second first, hopefully then the drag, get the way we Liverpool follow Man City, drag, collect it for their hands. So and to collect it for this Man City hand, you must be at your utmost perfection, you get, because you know they very, very easy to compete against this Man City. Look at Man City now, Mahrez is on his way to Saudi Arabia and they want to go and buy Rafinha of Barcelona. She be like the same Rafinha, who's not coming for Barcelona, and they're like 40 million now, go carry. Just imagine that kind of thing. It was shocking when I saw that report, but it is what it is. Alright, so Villarreal don't come and say according to they would like to target Cedric Suarez. Say they won't carry the guy, may go play for them. So now monetary spirit that they call sports for the La Liga that they call the let us know this one. Now, from Cedric Suarez point of view, Baba dey talk say he won't stay for Arsenal and actually fight for his place. Who no go wan stay for Arsenal? Arsenal, their project now, it is very, very tantalizing. It is visible. Everybody dey see am say Arsenal are on the rise. So why you go wan leave Arsenal come dey go another place wey be say na here they have a Champions League football day? You know they can win the league. It's possible. They can win something this next season when they come. It's highly possible because all these players, everybody na young shaguro. They don't get that mad experience. They are young, but they don't get massive experience. So this next season themselves, they come with like red eye. Get Ojueje. They won't come here, come run things. Say this season we won't win something at J. So that's why Central talk say, well, thank you for the offer, but I think I would like to stay here and fight for my place. Now, when it comes to fighting for his place, it's not like he's versatile. Now only right back in the play, and that right back is like maybe the third name in the pecking order, because when you put a Ben White, you put a Timber, or you put a Tomiyasu, before you now be thinking of Cedric Suarez. But we need people to also play FA Cups. Don't forget. We need people to also play Carabao Cup. Don't forget. So we need a lot of people for different purposes. So that is why people like Rob Holding, they are everly happy at Arsenal. Last season they only played like 14 times. So they're happy because they know say no matter as it be, bad as it bad, then we shall wear the shirt and play. That's so it will be. So more just the watch shall. Alright, for those who know they are aware, Sadio Mane don't accept a move to go Al Nassr to go play with Cristiano Ronaldo. So we don't agree. So I just be surprised when I saw that thing. Imagine a whole Sadio Mane gets leaving Europe to go there. She want to tell me say clubs no day for EPL, we will talk to me and come back. I believe at the point Newcastle wanted to go and sign him, but this buttresses my point when I'm telling you about retirement package. Most of all these players are going there not to prove anything to anybody. You can't be going to sign a by saying, who we want to prove, who we want to impress. So you are leaving Europe. They consider like world best football, anything. Nobody will reason you because you just start the Arabian League. If you like score 100 goals there, nobody will send you. So that's the thing. This time when I look at Ronaldo now, Ronaldo don't go Al Nassr, Messi don't go MLS now. Me, I look the next rank is where they talk about world best footballer, FIFA world best. I go see whether they will see they put their names there, because they are no longer in Europe. They are not playing in a competitive environment. So I will see whether they will see they put their name, because I'm not expecting them to win it again. So this is now time for people like Mbappe, people like Erling Haaland to rule the world. That's the way me I see am for my little brain wey dey here. So that's why I see am. So let's just watch Sadio Mane. It came to me as a shock. I know that I don't hear him, but it is what it is. At the same time, Moussa Diaby also, Fabrizio Romano come and let us know, say here we go. Moussa Diaby from Bayer Leverkusen to Aston Villa. When I saw this report, it shocked me. Number one, you come be like say, "She Moussa Diaby no get ambition." Like, who is Aston Villa in the scheme of things? Why no go push to join at least maybe Newcastle, maybe Arsenal, you get all those kind of things. Now, I got the reason say, look up, how can you leave Bayer Leverkusen? Where sometimes they go fight for a place, try to come to Champions League, all those kind of things. You leave and come Aston Villa. It lets you know that EPL is the best league in the world, the most competitive. A top class player for German league can live there, come play for maybe Newcastle, come play for maybe Aston Villa, come play for a team where you look like they are not there again, they are not part of the top 6 for England. You can't play there because this is where it is happening again. So that's what me and see am. So even though I feel like when the guy come play for us, come provide confirmed squad depth for the wings, because whether I like it or yes, in case you are not aware, Moussa Diaby is even faster than Saka. When it comes to pace, when it comes to tricky, he dey fast. Go check the top fastest wingers in the world. Saka no dey top 10. I don't even know whether in the top 27. So may know how competitive the winger will be. But this is EPL, so I'll be very, very interested to see how that Moussa Diaby, don't already they clamor for a long time. And also a lot of us Arsenal fans actually want Arsenal to sign Moussa Diaby. So now when they go Aston Villa, I would like to see the way they play. That's like 2 of our players who will be interested in where Aston Villa don't carry. Remember Yuri Tillemans, personal terms every year. We say he signed personal terms, Last Aston Villa. Oh, what do you watch? Alright, so Arsenal, they'll be favorites to sign Mohamed Kudus, according to reports so they hear out there. Now, the question is, why is Arsenal targeting Mohamed Kudus of Ajax? It's they far from the fact that the guy is versatile. Anybody who that they go for, the first thing that should come to your mind is he versatile? Because that is one attribute to Arteta know they use play. So one player they when they play 3 role, they can play, because just like say if they sign 3 players in one. Now Mohamed Kudus can play as a center forward. At the same time, he can play as a winger. so it's going to be providing confirmed competition for Bukayo Saka and gives Bukayo Saka much breathing space in case they want to rest him, to keep him refreshed, making refueling energy to go in and cause more damage. So me, I dey happy that say that will be the favorites, but the thing is, according to what we need to sell small to recoup some money and buy again. Time still dey, a lot of things go happen. I think I don't promise us say it never dey over, we will still sign. So keep your fingers crossed. About the 5-0 win for that MLS match, NAC MLS. Now, no say that match, we create record as the first away team. We go play that, we go knock them like 5-0. We go like that kind of big win with a big margin. We go win with that kind of margin against an MLS team. You get, so now the record we will create, and obviously we'll be Arsenal now. Guess what do you expect? We are a big team now, so when we go there, we'll let them know we are the second best team in the EPL last season. So what do you think? Yeah, we almost won the league, so we need to let them know as they go. So as I just let you know in case you don't know, sha. Alright, even the Sun don't come outside and let us know say Arsenal don't identify Douglas Luiz as a possible replacement for Thomas Partey if he leaves. Remember saying in the past we hear say we don't identify Remo Lavia, but a good say we add more names to our list. You get, in case he leave, not so we won't make him leave, but everybody we need to prepare for the future, just in case of necessity. In case this happens, this is our plan B or this is our plan C. That's where we set everything. So more just the watch. So I just pray maybe Partey just feel say Europe is the best for him, make him remain for Arsenal, because at this point there's no European club coming for him. It's only Saudi Arabian clubs, because Saudi Arabia they won't like reignite that their league. They won't bring up the league so that people will see them. They use Ronaldo open the gates. Now everybody don't they rush go there and they offer plenty money. Now the question will be they ask, will be another research I want to do. Financial fair play, you know they affect Saudi Arabia. I be Saudi Arabia football, they know the part of UEFA, I be they know the part of FIFA. And I don't know, I don't think out loud, sha. Say, you know, they are people, the way they are throwing money around, I just see them be owing money now. So I don't know, that's why I'm asking. So let me know, because there's no way you earn maybe £300,000 per week for EPL. First of all, they offer you £600,000. They give you sign-on bonus. They give you a lot of bonus incentive. You if you score 20 goals, to give it. Why not go come up? Imagine a Mitrovic trying to leave Fulham to go to Saudi Arabia. You know what that man mean? Now retirement package they find. So now all these things. When I think I the boss man. Imagine a Rodrigo of Leeds living there and be going to Saudi Arabia. Imagine Mendy, like players plenty. Benzema, okay, you understand say yes, you don't conquer Europe, you don't win world best, you don't go retire. But what of the younger ones? When they go there, Ruben Neves. Imagine all those things. So now what's the boss my brain? Because of the money. Alright, so Inter Milan also come outside say that they push make Arsenal reduce the price of Folarin Balogun. You guys say the price is too much, 50 million that is being quoted is too much, but they reduce it, because then they're losing that kind of 35 million pounds. But I know say time still day. By the time where everything will be sorted out, we know whether Arsenal will reduce the price or not. So let's just keep our fingers crossed. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of the screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all the Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out. Bye bye.